Imagine you at work, enjoying your work day. Your phone vibrates. Motion detected at the front door. You open the app, expecting maybe a delivery guy, but you see a complete stranger lurking around your house, looking through windows trying to see if anybody's home. The scary part is, this isn't a horror movie. These are real moments captured by real homeowners. Catching people doing the creepiest things and forgetting that the camera is even there. Guess they think it's there for decoration or something. I don't know. But by the end of this video, I guarantee you're gonna want to check your doorbell camera a little bit more often. Let's get right to the video.
Warning. Some of the content you are about to see may be disturbing. Viewer discretion advised.
Just want to let you know that your car light is on. Right. You are perfectly being recorded. This is why you should always have a doorbell camera, because this creepy video comes out of Phoenix, Arizona, and according to the family, this person came up to their door to warn them about their car light being left on, while someone else was lurking in the background. But after they left, they checked their car and there was no light on, so they posted it to warn the neighborhood. But this next video is even more terrifying, and it comes from Della D. I'll tag her below. And it all started when she was awoken at 4 in the morning, and a woman who she'd never seen before walked up to her doorway and began acting incredibly odd. And this is what she caught on camera. Take a look. She starts looking inside my glass door, then does this.
This door, I need the Wi-Fi back right now! Since you want to be petty, I'm setting up outside!
Actually, I'm going live on your porch!
Either turn the Wi-Fi back on or I'm hosting family night right here.
Y'all better not trip that breaker.
Drop the new code.
That first lady walked up to the door. She was kind of strange, but at first she walked up like she paid rent in that motherfucker, didn't she? That second clip, clearly AI. Clearly.
We are not home.
Yeah, I know you're not home. That's why I planned this. So, plain and simple, I'm going to give you two options. Option A, you give me a key to your house, right? I know you changed the locks on this. I know you did. Option 2, or option B, I hired this
lock open?
No, it's definitely locked.
Yeah.
Option 2, okay, I hired this locksmith.
Okay.
And he will drill out both of these. So, the choice is yours. Option A or option B?
I mean, I wouldn't do that if I was you.
So option B? All right.
I'm not telling you what to do, but
Yeah.
Here
we go.
I warned you about it. Literally, HOA policy states every board member needs a key to every house. It's a grandmaster key.
Okay.
I warned you.
We got it.
Good?
We got it.
I warned you about this. I'm just checking on a few things.
The confidence is crazy. This got to be one of the dumbest criminals ever. Last time I checked, you're supposed to avoid cameras. He got his face 6 inches away from it like he's trying to get verified or something. I don't know what's going on though. He said the board member is supposed to have a key, so there's something I'm missing there.
On July 21st, 2021, a Ring camera captured this disturbing footage.
Can you hear me? What I'm looking for is for the girl that's in the house to come out here, because I'm going to rape her and kill her. You have her open the door. I'm going to rape and kill the girl that's on the other side of this door when she lets me in. I want to rape her and kill her because I have a knife and a gun. Yeah, and I'm going to knock on her door again. All right.
After this incident took place, a homeowner called the police, and the police later arrested Christopher Sums, a 40-year-old man. He was charged with aggravated stalking along with a few other charges. The creepiest part is that the woman was home all alone and the husband was responding via the Ring app.
I'm convinced. Ring cameras turn criminals into accidental content creators. Dude looked directly into the camera like he was auditioning for America's Most Wanted. Scary thing is, man, he just walked up like he owned the place or something, like he the damn landlord trying to collect rent. Telling y'all, man, these doorbell cameras are great investments. Luckily, they got dude up off the streets because he was looking to do something sinister. Just be careful out here.
No. Really? Guess what, guys? Ring wants to find your dog if you lose your dog or if you lose your cat. Ring is going to help you find it. Yeah, because this wasn't enough. This wasn't enough to find your missing pet. So they say, you know what? Let's up this, right? Let's be able to look through everybody's to see if we can find this missing dog or missing cat. But what about the missing cat? Nah, but you see, Milo has to be found, right? Please help find our Milo. Are you kidding me? Don't get me wrong. I mean, people love their pets, but people love their even more. So Ring, what is this about and what is this commercial about? And to be honest with you, I never owned a Ring camera because I don't like where they put it. Somebody could just take that off and then what? I'm just playing on, guys. Entertainment purposes only. Upgrade, guys. Get yourself the new Ring camera. It's going to help you find your missing pets, all right? I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think about this commercial. I'm out.
I'm just going to stand back here, okay? You know?
Yes, officer.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
This is the police.
Alright.
I'm gonna slash that truck's tires.
Let's come back tonight. Don't do it now, just as a witness.
Someone looking out the window?
That thing runs right away from us.
Dude had a great point there, but I believe that the police actually do use this footage when they're looking for people, but it would make sense if they incorporated maybe a little bit of AI with it, and that could help find other missing people besides just missing animals. And I think that's what dude was alluding to. And then the clip after that, where the lady came and slashed the tire pretending to be a cop. Like, come on, you don't even have on a uniform. You're gonna come to somebody's door, say it's the police, no uniform, walk off and slash the tire before you go. You just RSVP your own damn arrest.
11825, code 6, 105 North Avenue, 52.
Came there looking like she was delivering a package. Yeah, the package is a damn felony.
You know Lacey? Stop!
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
It's not my mom.
Lacey!
Huh?
This guy following me, Lacey.
Who is he?
I don't know.
Cut
He's
it
been
out.
following me since.
JR!
Boss, what up?
He's been following me
What up?
since I've been calling you.
JR, just come in the house. Call the police. He's in his car?
No, he's been following me since 60 seconds.
Call the police.
I tried not to finish, so I just kept crossing the street back and forth.
I didn't hear the phone.
I thought I was running. He was gonna like grab me. So, hi, I'm on 6214 Halmaya Roses Road. Hello.
The Second Amendment of the Constitution protects an individual's rights to possess weapons for self-defense. My favorite part of the Constitution, because that's a moment where things like that come in handy. Now, listen, I don't condone in these YNs having them because they just use them if somebody step on their shoe. That's not self-defense. Your significant other get followed home.
If I got to have you, we got to go. We got to do all this. You want this smoke? Okay, you about to get it. It's about to be a barbecue.
Lorenzo.
Hello.
Hello. How you doing?
How can I help you?
Got a search warrant.
What is it for?
We got a search warrant. Right here. Open up. Everybody on the ground. Go. Let's go. Go. How many people in the house? Go.
It's my mom and my kids.
Everybody.
Now, the first clip, crazy work. Because, I mean, when law enforcement comes to your door, you generally answer. But this gonna make me second think. Because who knows? And they came to rob the place. You heard it when they walked in, they started telling everybody to get down on the ground. It's crazy. Well, Lil Meech, you know what I mean? But I did my research on that clip. Allegedly, he was coming over there to borrow some money from the chick. So she got her neighbor's ring footage to prove that that's what he came there for. Allegedly, he was in and out type of deal. You know what I mean? Yeah, she was saying Lil Meech is broke. So that's why he was saying, oh, I'm not broke. And she like, well, why did you pull up to my house? And so that's why she put that ring footage out there. Now, she could be lying. Who knows anymore? He could be really broke. So, and then we had the lady who, her ex-dude, new girlfriend apartment on fire. But that's crazy. Just move on. Just move on. Now you just bought you a one-way ticket to the county jail.
Police, open up.
And he's still gonna be chilling with old girl. Hopefully she all right, you know, because they do say that she set the apartment on fire, not just the door. So hopefully everybody was okay, because that's crazy work.
Hello?
Hi there, can you open this door, please?
For what?
I just want to make sure that everything's okay. There seems to be something going on.
What do you mean?
I don't know, I just figured I'd check on something.
I don't know what you want, man. Get out of my house.
Open this fucking door! Where's your daughter, man? Where's your daughter,
What are
man?
you talking about?
Where's your daughter? Who's in there with you?
Bro, if you don't
Open
leave...
this fucking door. Open this door, I'm breaking it fucking down. You understand me?
Leave my house. You don't...
Are you okay? Is everyone in this house okay?
What? Everyone's okay. What do you want? Can you leave my house, please?
You open the door, please.
You have nothing to do with my house. Can you leave my house?
You know what my name is?
I don't know who you are. You don't belong to this neighborhood. That's for sure.
This is my neighborhood, though.
Yeah, I live there. I don't know you.
My name is Harry Dresden, motherfucker. Open the door. This is my neighborhood. Open the fucking door. Now, or I will fucking end you. Do you understand me?
Second Amendment. That's all I'm gonna say. Second Amendment. Well, after watching all that, one thing is clear. People will really walk up to your door like the damn Ring camera is just there for decoration. Shout out to all the criminals who showed up, looked directly into a 4K camera, and basically gave the police a free profile picture. Because of. Just make sure you lock your door, check your cameras, and if your Ring notification app goes off at 3 a.m., you might want to answer the door with that bop bop handy. If you enjoyed the laughs, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. I'm your host, Juice Taylor. Catch you in the next video.
Hide the money, y'all. There's poor people around. With your broke ass.